Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to send and receive direct messages on Instagram using your web browser and the application called Grids for Instagram. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an Instagram account, the application called Grids for Instagram, and access to a web browser. So you can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the application called Grids for Instagram. Make sure you're signed into the account and then go to your profile, go to DMs, go to the dock again, go to Safari, go to Instagram again. Make sure you're signed into your account or another account so we can then send direct messages to each other from Grids and from Instagram.com. Go to DMs, send a message from the application, and we will then receive the message on the web browser. Send from one account, receive from another account, vice versa. And now we have sent and received direct messages from one account to another using a computer, the application called Grids for Instagram, and the web browser. So we can quit Grids, quit Safari. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.